Okay, so you got a orange Salvage Michigan title. I'm going to start with the most important part here, which is any parts listed on the salvage title must be replaced. So whatever is listed here as the parts, you have to replace. Okay? It also has to be salvage. If it is scrap title, it cannot be rebuilt for road use. So first step, get the title in your name. Then obviously you're going to be doing your repairs, getting all your parts. Do a search for a TR13A, and you need to make sure it's this most current one, 723. And make sure you fill all of this out. Okay? Then, next part is all your major components, everything that you put on the car. You're going to have to, you really need to get parts from a salvage yard that'll give you your VIN numbers, address, everything else. Yeah, you can probably find parts cheaper elsewhere, but I wouldn't chance this part. The next part is your certification. It has to be completed by someone that's certified. Obviously, if you're doing the repairs, you can probably pass the test. Just take the test. Highly unlikely you can get somebody else to sign off on your repairs. And you also have to have a repair facility number. So if you had any work done by somebody, they need to put that number there and explain that everything to them that you need all of this filled out. So after you have all this filled out, the car is all done. You don't need the 13B. The officer will provide that, but this is what 13B looks like. And as you can see, this is basically a complete safety inspection of the vehicle. So make sure the vehicle is done. When you take it to them, you have to be able to get it to them, so prepare for that. And then once you have all this paperwork all filled out, you got to bring all your receipts and everything to the Secretary of State's. It will still be orange, but you can change the salvage to rebuilt. So good luck.